Today I am reviewing the Dyson Supersonic Nural hairdryer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have been keeping an eye on the luxury beauty world, you already know that Dyson completely changed the game when they launched their original hairdryer. But their latest release takes things into the future. This is the Dyson Supersonic Nural hairdryer. It promises zero heat damage, a suite of smart sensors, and 5 intelligent magnetic attachments designed for absolutely all hair types. Today, we are breaking down exactly what makes the Nural version different from the original, how its smart technology works in real life, and whether it genuinely justifies its premium price tag. Let's dive right into this comprehensive look at Dyson's smartest styling tool yet. First impressions matter, and the moment you hold the Supersonic Nural, you realize Dyson did not just change the colors. They fundamentally redesigned how a hairdryer interacts with your head. It retains that iconic, balanced, hollow cylinder design, where the powerful hyperdymium motor sits in the handle rather than the head. This clever weight distribution means your arms and wrists do not get tired, even during a long, detailed blowout styling session. But the real magic becomes visible at the back of the dryer head, where you can see a transparent end cap revealing a glowing capsule of LED lights. These lights are not just for show. They visually indicate exactly how much heat the machine is outputting in real time, shifting from blue for cold, to yellow for low heat, orange for medium heat, and vibrant red for high heat. The absolute headline feature of the Nural, and the main reason it is generating so much buzz, is its network of integrated smart sensors, starting with the innovative Scalp Protect Mode. Traditionally, when we want to dry our roots or get a smooth look, we bring the hairdryer close to our head, which can scorch the scalp, strip natural moisture, and cause long-term irritation, flakes, or shedding. The Nural completely fixes this with an invisible time-of-flight sensor. This sensor acts like a tiny radar, constantly projecting a beam to measure the exact distance between the hairdryer and your head. As you bring the machine closer to your scalp, the dryer instantly and automatically drops its heat down to a perfectly safe, comfortable target temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit. No matter how close you hold it, you'll never burn your skin or cause heat damage to new hair growth. The moment you pull the dryer away to work on the mid-lengths and ends of your hair, it immediately returns to your manually selected temperature setting. It is fluid, seamless, and completely foolproof. Beyond protecting your scalp, Dyson has introduced a feature called attachment learning, which utilizes built-in Hall sensors to read a unique RFID chip inside each of the 5 included attachments. Anyone who shares a hairdryer or switches styles frequently knows how annoying it is to constantly manually readjust the heat and airflow settings. With the Nural, the machine instantly recognizes exactly which nozzle is snapped onto the magnetic ring and automatically remembers your exact personal styling preferences from your last session. If you prefer high heat and high airflow with the styling concentrator, but want low heat and medium flow with the diffuser, the Nural adjusts itself the very second the magnet clicks into place. It makes your daily styling routine incredibly streamlined and entirely effortless. Speaking of attachments, the 5 included pieces make this tool a masterclass in versatility for all hair types. First, you get the standard styling concentrator, which has been re-engineered with a wider, thinner blade of high-velocity air for precise, section-by-section smoothing. Then there is the gentle air attachment, which evenly diffuses the airflow for fast yet ultra-comfortable up-close drying. For individuals with textured, curly, or coily hair, the wide tooth comb attachment features rounded teeth to gently detangle, shape, and lengthen your hair as it dries. Next up is the completely redesigned wave and curl diffuser, which offers a unique dual-mode format. You can use it in diffuse mode, which utilizes long prongs to reach deep into your hair to add volume at the root for natural curls. Or you can switch it to dome mode, where air is infused through a curved bowl to perfectly define and enhance natural waves without creating frizz. Finally, you get the celebrated flyaway attachment, which uses the scientific Coanda effect to lift longer hairs and tuck shorter, stray flyaways underneath, leaving you with that incredibly sleek, high-shine finish you usually only get from a professional salon blowout. Dyson also paid close attention to the small quality-of-life details that make daily use an absolute pleasure, introducing a feature called Pause Detect. Inside the handle sits a motion-sensing accelerometer that knows exactly when the machine is in your hand versus when it has been set down on a counter. If you need to stop mid-styling to section off a new layer of hair or grab a round brush, you simply set the Nural down on your vanity. The machine immediately detects the lack of motion, automatically deactivates the internal heater, and drops the airflow to a whisper-quiet, low-power mode. The second you pick it back up, it ramps right back up to your active styling settings. This means less unnecessary noise, less heat buildup in your bathroom, and a far more relaxing morning routine. To wrap things up, the Dyson Supersonic Nural is an undeniably premium, top-tier styling system that represents a massive evolutionary leap in hair care technology. By combining their legendary air multiplier fast-drying power with autonomous scalp protecting sensors, intelligent attachment memory, and automatic pause detection, Dyson has built a machine that actively looks out for the health of your hair and skin while delivering professional results. If you already own a working high-end hair dryer and only rough dry your hair for a few minutes a week, this level of technology might be more than you strictly need. But if you style your hair daily, struggle with a sensitive scalp, have delicate curls, or want a foolproof way to ensure you never cause extreme heat damage to your hair again, the Nural hits the nail right on the head. It is a stunning, whisper-quiet investment in long-term hair health and styling efficiency, and it earns an exceptionally enthusiastic, highest possible recommendation.